Unlocking the meaning of backbone in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, backbone. You might be familiar with this word in a literal sense, but in English, it carries some intriguing figurative meanings too. Let's explore this together and add another useful expression to your English vocabulary. First, let's look at the literal meaning of backbone. The backbone, also known as the spine, is a crucial part of the human body. It supports the body, allowing us to stand upright and provides protection to the spinal cord. This physical strength and support aspect of a backbone sets the stage for its metaphorical uses in English. Now, let's delve into the metaphorical use of backbone. In English, when someone is described as having a backbone, it implies they have courage, strength of character, or resilience. This term often appears in contexts where someone is standing up for their beliefs or not yielding under pressure. To understand this better, let's see some examples. 1. Despite the criticism, she showed her backbone by sticking to her decisions. 2. It takes a lot of backbone to stand up against injustice. 3. He is the backbone of our team, always reliable and strong under pressure. In these sentences, backbone symbolizes personal strength and determination. Incorporating backbone into your daily English can be quite impactful. Here are some tips. Use it to compliment someone's courage or resilience. You really showed your backbone in that meeting. Recognize someone's central role. She is the backbone of our community work. Backbone is a powerful word in the English language, embodying both literal and metaphorical meanings of strength and support. I hope this video helps you understand and use backbone confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, every new word or phrase you learn strengthens the backbone of your English skills. See you in our next lesson.